Welcome to Chef Drew. Today, Monday, February 4th. Welcome to Chef Drew. Good morning, Monday,
February 4th.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Chef Drew. Today, we're gonna make a fucking smoothie.
Some peanut butter.
For today's episode, we're gonna be making. Oh, fuck, I said that already. Now for the ingredients. We got a nice yellow apple, golden delicious. Prepare this apple. First we decore it, leave the sticker on. Next we have Oreos. We run out of the Skippy crunchy peanut butter, so we gotta stick with the creamy. It's alright.
Oh. Got a nice healthy scoop.
For a smoothie, you always need a sort of liquid to kind of, give it that smoothie. Straight from the dollar store, we have Stars and Stripes Fruit Punch. This is gonna be so gross. Just listen to that carbonation.
Special shout out to Laura Bashar for donating the Hamilton 10-speed beach blender. What the hell? Really?
It worked. Now that we have our breakfast smoothie ready, and there we have it, everybody. Our nice Monday morning, February 4th smoothie. Not too bad. Not too bad.